Hi everyone, and welcome back to Menopause Relief Therapy. Today's video is an invitation to embark on a transformative journey during your menopausal transition. Remember, menopause is not an ending, but a beautiful metamorphosis. It's a time to shed old ways of thinking and being and embrace the wisdom and power that comes with maturity. So, find a comfortable position, close your eyes gently, and take a few deep breaths to begin. As you settle into this space, imagine yourself surrounded by a warm, golden light. This light represents safety, security, and self-love. Feel it envelop your entire being, from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. With each inhale, draw this light deeper within, and with each exhale, release any tension or worries that may be holding you back. Now, bring your awareness to your physical body. Take a moment to appreciate the incredible vessel that carries you through life. Feel the steady rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Notice the coolness of the air against your skin, the softness of your clothes, and the way your body is supported by the chair beneath you. Scan your body from head to toe, starting with your toes. Wiggle them gently, feeling a sense of groundedness that connect you to the earth. Move upwards, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. Acknowledge them without judgment, and simply allow them to soften and release with each exhale. Focus on your breath for a moment. Breathe deeply and slowly, feeling your belly rise and fall with each inhalation and exhalation. Imagine your breath as a cleansing wave, washing away any fatigue or negativity that may be lingering within you. Menopause is a natural shift, a wave of hormonal change that marks a new chapter in your life. It can bring hot flashes, night sweats, fatigue, and emotional fluctuations. But within these changes lies an opportunity for immense growth. Imagine yourself standing on a windswept cliff overlooking a vast ocean. The waves crash against the rocks, symbolizing the intensity of these changes. Yet, beyond the turbulence, the vast expanse of the ocean stretches out before you. Representing the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. Breathe deeply and allow yourself to trust the flow of this transformation. This transition may bring up feelings of grief or loss. Perhaps you grieve the younger version of yourself, or the ease of your menstrual cycle. Acknowledge these feelings without judgment. Allow yourself to feel the emotions Then gently release them with each exhale. Remember, change is inevitable, and it can be a catalyst for incredible growth. Now, visualize a gentle light emanating from deep within your core. This light represents your inner wisdom, your deep well of strength and intuition. It has always been there, a guiding force throughout your life. Feel its warmth spreading throughout your body, softening any anxieties or fears you may have about your changing body. Let go of any societal expectations or limiting beliefs you've held onto about aging. You are worthy of love and respect at any stage in life. You are powerful, vibrant, and possess a unique wisdom that only comes with experience. Embrace the journey of menopause as a time to reconnect with your inner strength and rediscover the incredible woman you are becoming. Imagine yourself surrounded by loving energy. This energy could come from a supportive friend, a spiritual teacher, or even a higher power. Feel this love envelop you, reminding you of your inherent worth and resilience. Shift your awareness back to your physical form. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension you may be holding in your shoulders, jaw, or forehead. Imagine a wave of relaxation washing over you, bringing your body into a state of deep peace. Now continue your body scan by very briefly focusing back on your toes. Wiggle them gently, feeling a sense of aliveness in your feet. Then move upwards, noticing the strength in your legs, the support of your core, and the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Pay attention to the sensations in your hands, arms, and neck. Acknowledge any areas of tension and consciously release them with a deep exhale. As you travel upwards, bring your awareness to your heart. Feel its steady rhythm, a symbol of your life force and resilience. Imagine your heart radiating love and acceptance throughout your entire being. Letting go and finding purpose. Visualize yourself standing on a beautiful beach at sunrise. The gentle waves lap at your feet, carrying away anything you no longer need. It could be old habits, limiting beliefs, past hurts, or negative self-talk. As each wave washes over you, release these burdens with a deep exhale, letting go of any emotional baggage they may have caused. Imagine each wave taking a specific burden away. Perhaps one wave washes away a negative self-belief, like, "I'm not sexy anymore." Another wave carries away a grudge you've held onto for years. With each release, feel a sense of lightness and spaciousness within you. Now, as the tide recedes, feel a sense of lightness and spaciousness within you. This is the fertile ground where new possibilities can take root. Ask yourself, what sparks joy in my life now? What new directions might I explore? Perhaps it's rekindling a forgotten passion, learning a new skill, or simply dedicating more time to activities that nourish your soul. Trust your intuition and embrace the possibilities that unfold before you. Imagine planting a seed of intention in this fertile ground. This seed represents your new purpose, a guiding light for this next chapter of your life. Nurture it with self-compassion, dedication, and a willingness to take action. Feel the excitement and anticipation as this seed begins to sprout, symbolizing the growth and transformation that awaits you. Bring your awareness to your womb, the center of your feminine power. It has carried life, nurtured creation, and embodied the strength and resilience of generations of women before you. Feel its connection to the earth's wisdom and the cycles of nature. Imagine this center radiating warmth and light throughout your body. Embrace your femininity at every stage. You are a woman of wisdom, experience, and grace. Own your power, your confidence, and your independence. This is a time to celebrate your unique journey and the incredible woman you are becoming. As you navigate this transition, prioritize self-care. Imagine yourself filling a cup with nourishing light. This light represents your needs: healthy food, quality sleep, movement that makes you feel good, and activities that bring you joy. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. You deserve to be fully supported and nurtured. Think about what self-care practices might nourish you most right now. Perhaps it's a relaxing bath, spending time in nature, or connecting with loved ones. Prioritize activities that bring you a sense of peace and well-being. Now take a few deep, revitalizing breaths, feeling your body awake and energized. As you slowly open your eyes, carry this sense of peace and empowerment with you throughout your day. Remember, you are strong, beautiful, and capable of anything you set your mind to. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery. If you found this meditation helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more menopause relief tips and tools. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below sharing your experience with menopause or what resonated most with you in this meditation. Until next time, take care of yourselves.